Hi everybody, just want to pop in for a minute. This is going to be really short. I found something at Dollar Tree I thought all potters would probably be interested in, and that is these little piercing and scoring. It's a tool set, it says, but actually it's two little styluses. Styli? How do you say that plural? Okay, let me unwrap this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. More detail. For $1.25, you can get these two darts. I don't know. They look like darts, but the thing about it is, I mean, here's my regular stylus. This one, the handle on this one is so out of balance that it's dangerous actually for me. This one is my go-to, but sometimes you need, and I'm looking at the diameter of the needle part of it. So let's see, how can I do this? Let me show, I'll line these up and then I'll get a close-up. These are all my Sharpie kind of things. Now these pink ones, here, let me get those in order. The pink ones are the ones that came from Dollar Tree. If you'll notice, there's one, this one right here is very thin, and you'll see how it compares with the rest of them. There are the needles. So for $1.25, you get those two pink ones. One is thin and one is a little thicker. So there's a longer shot right there. This thing is dangerous. I have poked this is very sharp, and it's steel, and it's rusty. It rusts really fast. And so I try to keep that dry when I'm not using it so it doesn't rust. But I've poked myself in the thumb with it before, and I try to stay away from it. Here's the package that it comes in. It looks like this, and it'll be in their little craft section. Granted, the needles aren't real long, but do you always need a needle to be long? You may, if you're just trimming off the top of something, you don't need it to be very long. This one, I don't know. I guess you can do your depth checking with those or with these, but anyway, it's just a pretty good deal. Okay, I'll talk to you in the next one. Love you. Bye.